Hi, I'm Alexis M. Infante, grade 4 from Bangondon Parochial School. Today, I will be telling you the story of the Good Samaritan. I hope you like my story. The Good Samaritan. There was once a Jewish man going very far away when he saw some robbers. The robbers beat him, stripped him, leaving him half dead. A while later, a priest passed by. Do you think the priest, who serves God and worships God, will help the poor Jewish man? Suddenly, no. Instead, he crossed on the other path and continued his journey. A while later, a Levite passed by. Do you think the Levite, who helps the priest and is a servant of God, will help the poor Jewish man? No. Instead, he chose the other path and continued his journey. Lastly, a Samaritan passed by. Do you think the Samaritan will help the poor Jewish guy? Yes, he helped him even though they were both enemies. So, the man walked to the man and poured oil and wine into his wounds and bandaged them. He even let the man ride on his animal. When they got to an innkeeper, the man stayed with the Jewish man for one day, assuring that he will be healthy and safe. After one day, he talked to the innkeeper and said, "Take care of this man, and anything you spend on him, I will help you get it back." So he gave the woman 2 denaries. After Jesus told them and explained to them the parable, Jesus then asked everyone, "Which of the 3 people do you think showed being a good neighbor to the poor Jewish man?" And they all replied, "The Samaritan." And then Jesus replied and said, "Go and do the same." I hope you like my story. There are many moral lessons in this story, but one important moral lesson is to help others in need and be kind. Let us never forget that Jesus wants us to help others and be kind to them. Let us also not forget to be neighbors with every single people in the earth. Even though they have different beliefs or different backgrounds to you, we should love them. Let us all be a good Samaritan. Thank you and God bless.